Okay.
Good evening.
Good evening. Good evening. Okay. Good evening, Kavin. Okay. Quickly. Good evening. We'll just quickly mark our attendance and then get back to our activities. We'll do. Okay. And children, before I start, don't worry about the worksheet. When we do the worksheet, I'll show the worksheet what you have to do. Okay. You don't have to keep that in mind always. You can be free. We'll enjoy. As well as we'll read. Okay. So don't get so occupied with worksheet. I'll tell you what worksheet we do. If you don't have the worksheet also, no problem. We'll write it in the rough note. Okay. So we'll start with Adya Shri.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good. Arav.
Here I am.
Akshat.
Here I
Arjun. Dear Arjun, did you join, Arjun?
Here I
No,
am.
not yet. Okay. Rayanand.
am, ma'am.
Gautam.
Here I am,
Who is that?
ma'am.
Oh, Gautam. Okay. Others, stay on mute.
Here I am.
Oh, Ritik, I'll call your name. Wait, Ritik.
Gautam, here I am, Sana.
Here I am.
Grithvik, I already got Grithvik. Jay Krish.
Here I am.
Okay. Kaushik.
Here I am.
Kavin.
Here I am.
Kumara Guruparan.
Here I am.
Lakshita G. Lakshita G. Okay, not yet. Lisha.
Here I am, ma'am.
Lakshraj.
Here I am.
Lekshita S. Lekshita S. No, okay. Satvik.
Here I am.
Nivin Surya. Nivin Surya, can you please unmute and answer your attendance? Even sir, please stay on the line. Your name will come. It's a long way to go. Please stay on mute. I'll call your name. Okay. Nivin Surya. Okay, I think he'll come back. We'll move to the next person. Roshan.
Here I
Mahaswan.
am.
Mahaswan.
Good evening, ma'am.
Here I am. Ryan.
Here I am.
Ryan. I think he didn't join. Okay. Sai Charan.
Here I am.
Izan. No. Okay. Shiva.
Here I am, ma'am.
Shravan.
Here I am, ma'am.
Varnika.
Here I am, ma'am.
You and Sai. You and Sai, say here I am. I'm waiting for you.
Ma'am, I.
Okay, Evan Sai.
Here I am, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, Evan Sai. Tell me, ma'am.
Yesterday, you do you cat?
Yes. We didn't have time yesterday, right? Did anybody? Some of you have tried at home. Yeah, we'll have if we have time today, we'll do. Or else next week we'll have more time. We'll do that time. Okay? You got your paper ready? Okay. If we have time today, we'll do. Or else next week we'll do even side. Okay? Okay. So quickly, what we are going to do? We'll do a warm-up exercise. Yes? Children ready? What warm-up exercise we'll do? Flapping the butterfly, we did it already. So it's boring, even boring for me. We'll do something nice, okay? Okay, so everybody stand up. Everybody stand up. Don't do. Look at ma'am. Okay. See what ma'am is doing. See what you should do when I say 1. You have to stretch open your legs and do 1, 2, 3, 4. I will do one show now. Okay. Don't do. Just watch me. Okay. See 1. Then see my legs are open. Like that you should open your legs. See, you should open your legs like that. Okay. 1, you should. When I say 1, hands open, legs open. Okay. 2, hands up. 3, again back to the same position. 4, hands down. And then close your legs. First step, open your legs, open your hands. Second step, hands up. Jump and hands up. Up, nicely up. Don't do like this. Hands nice up. Okay. 3, legs open, hands open. 4, legs close, hands close. Quickly we'll do. Okay. Everybody stand up now. Okay. Kavin's sister is also eager to do. Okay. Ready? Ready, children? Okay. First, close your legs, close your hands. Hands close to the body, legs close. Yes, Lakshar. Perfect, Lakshraj. Hands close to the body. Yes, Risha. Very good. Yes, Varnika. Dayanand. Good. Good, Kavin. Good, Kaushik. Yes. Okay, now 1. Open your legs. Open your hands. 1. Open your legs. Jayakrish. Jayakrish. Open your legs. Open your hands. Jump and open. See, when your legs are closed, you should jump and open your legs and open your hands. 1, 2. 2. Up. Up. Hands up. 3. Hands here. 4. Close your legs, close your hands. Close your legs, close your hands. Yes. I'm going to show. Lakshraj is doing. Lakshraj, we'll do from the beginning. 1. Jump and open your legs, open your hands. Yes. 2. Hands up. Very good. 3. Hands open, legs open. Very good. 4. Close your hands, close your legs. Perfect. Perfect, Lakshraj. Yes. Did you all do? One more time we'll do. Last time. And then we're going to come and sit down. Okay? Kaushik, come on. What, Kumara Guruparan? You also did very nicely. We'll do one more time. Okay? Come. Stand straight. Stand straight. Ready? Wait.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Izan. Come join us. We are doing the warm-up exercise. Come join us. Stand up. Ready? 1. Open your legs, open your hands. 1. Open your legs, open your hands. Yes. 2. 3. Open your legs, open your hands. Shiva.
4, close. Down.
4. Close your legs, close your hands. Yes. Come to your place. Shiva, what happened, Shiva? You didn't do?
Sit here.
One time, ma'am.
What, Kumara Guruparan? I'm not able to hear you.
Ma'am, I can drink water.
Yes, drink water. Please don't unmute unless I call your name, children. Then we'll not be able to complete what we have planned for the day. Okay? Come back to your place. Come back to your place. Okay. So now what we are going to do is we have been learning cursive alphabets, right? We have been learning A, B, C, D, E, F. Yesterday we wrote F, right? Little bit, it was little difficult. And today we'll plan F and G. Okay, if time permits H, if not F and G, will revise F and then we are going to write G. Okay. So many of you wrote homework, right? How many of you found F? It was difficult, ma'am. I was not able to write. How many of you didn't know how to write F? Ara Vakshat, yesterday you wrote and showed me in the class. Okay. No, how many of you found it difficult? I am not able to write F. Raise your hand. Okay, Gautam, Roshan, Kavin, Jay, Grutvik. Okay, others found it. Jay Krish found it difficult to write F. Okay. Izan, you wrote F, Izan. You didn't join us yesterday. Okay. So first what we'll do, Lisha, your absent now, we wrote F yesterday. Okay, first we'll practice F 2 times and then we'll move on to, after F what? After F what, Roshan? E, F, then, yeah, we'll write Gile. Okay. So now everybody take a rough note. Everybody is going to write. Okay, everybody is going to write small f and then we are going to move on to the next alphabet. Okay. Ma'am is also getting my notebook ready so that we'll write together. Okay, I'm ready. Okay, I'm going to show the screen. We are going to write together. Okay. I'm just watching what the people are writing, so you don't have to take your notebooks and show me until I ask you. Okay, children? Everybody understood? Ma'am will ask you. Ma'am will ask you, show your notebook. That time you can show. Okay, otherwise I'm watching you all in the video. So I know you're writing or not, what you're writing, little bit I can understand. Okay, if not, I'll ask you. If I have any questions or doubt, I'll ask you to show the notebook. Until then, you can continue writing. Okay, so quickly we are going to write F today. So this is capital normal F and small f. So this is cursive F. We know this little bit easy. Small one, like 7 you should write and then a sleeping. That was easy. With respect to small f, we found it little difficult, right? So what we do, we'll write again. Start from this blue line. So small f, see here. See here. Slanting line, go up. You remember I told you that day? So you have 4 lines. Like that, I also have 4 lines here. See? Red line, red line. You will also have the same thing in your worksheets, right? So in your rough note, you will have 4 line notebook. So start from this second blue line. You will have 2 blue lines, no? So start from the second blue line. Slanting line. Everybody knows to write slanting line, right? So slanting line. Then this is little difficult. Bend and then you have to put 1. If you write, when you practice initially, what you will write is you will write like this. That is not right. If you practice like that, it will be very difficult to write F. So give a slanting line. Okay. Then put a small curve like this. Then you not write 1, no. So write 1. Then only it will be easy. You write like this one, right? If you write like this, then it will not, you will not able to write F properly. Okay. So first step is what? Slanting line. So everybody are with me. Are you writing slanting line in your rough note? Bend and then put 1. I'll stop here. I'm going to start from the beginning. Slanting line. I touched the red line. See, I've touched the red line. Then only I'm bending and then I'm putting 1. See, I wrote 1. Then come till touch the red line. Come touch the red line and then bend again. Go closer. As I told you yesterday, if you write like this, see, bending 1. If you write like this, it will not look nice. Sometimes it will be like B. So what you should do? You should bend this U and bring closer here to this line and then a small curve like this. So slanting line, go up, touch the red. When you write it, you should say and write. One reason you will understand. Slanting line, go up. Okay, very good. All are writing. Yes. Touch the red line. Make a small curve. Put 1. Come. Touch the red line. And then bend. Go closer. And make a small curve like this. This is F. This is F. Ritvik, are you writing, Ritvik? Understood how to write? Yes? I will show the screen again. Jay Krish, can you practice one time in the rough note? Arav Akshat are writing. Arav Akshat, sit properly and write. Sit properly, yes. Where is your pencil, Akshat? Akshat or Arav, who is not having pencil? Okay. Okay, you wrote. Okay. Yeah, Roshan, you're trying now? You're writing in the slate and showing me. Yeah. Wait. Show me little down. Good. You got it right. That's it. Very nice. Same way, Roshan. Okay. You can practice in the slate and then you can use your rough note and then you can write in the worksheet. Very good, Roshan. Good job. Superb. Okay, I'm going to see who raised the hand. I saw Grithvik raising hand. Jay Krish. Yeah, Jay Krish, show me. Can you bring it a little closer, Jay Krish? Can you bring the note a little closer? Yes. This way.
Ma'am.
Who is that, ma'am? Nivinsura, I'll come to you. Nivinsura, I said no, I'll come to each one of you. Don't unmute. I'll come to each one of you. Then I'll yeah. Little closer, Jay Krish. Okay. You understood, Jay Krish, how to write small f? Yes, easy or difficult? Easy, okay. Yeah, I'm coming to Nivin Surya. Please don't unmute. That will help for everybody. Yeah, show me Nivin Surya. Slowly.
Show bolo.
Ma'am, I want to show.
Nivin Surya, I told you should come little closer. This is B. We are writing F. You should come and touch the red line. See?
I correct, ma'am.
See, you have to touch the red line. See, this is B. This is B, Nivin Surya. We are writing F now. So what you should do? Go back here, touch the red line, come till the red line, and then only do. This is B.
I'll write and show him.
Alright, John.
Okay, you change and write. Okay. Okay. Yes, Lakshita ji. Please don't unmute and call me. I will not come to you if you call me. I will come to each one of you. I told you no. Please don't unmute.
Yeah.
Yeah, Lakshita.
Yes.
Not able to see. Can you lift it up? I think the camera is, yeah. No, just move away, ma'am. It's too close. No, it's, yeah. Okay. Yes, Izan. Azan, please help us, Izan. Don't unmute, Izan. I'll call your name, okay? Show me what you have written. Izan, show me what you have written.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me see. Good, Izan. Very good. Okay, tomorrow when you come to the class, you draw 4 lines in the notebook and bring, okay? Okay, Izan? Okay, thank you. Yes, Lisha. Good, Lisha. Good, very nice, Lisha. Yes, Grithvik. You're showing me? Good, Grithvik. Okay, Grithvik, try to draw lines, 4 lines. Then only it will be easy for you to understand where is red line, where is blue line. Okay? Okay, you have this line notebook. No, tomorrow just draw 4 lines. Or else draw with a pencil. 4 lines and then you can write it. Okay? Dayanand, what I told you, Dayanand, don't unmute. I'll call the names which I want to see in notebooks. Otherwise, others should write. Don't shout like this and unmute. Good, Dayanand. Good. Yes, Varnika. Good, Varnika. Yes, Shiva. I'm seeing that. Good, Shiva. Yes. Roshan, you finished writing? You showed me, so you're scribbling there the shots. Lakshraj, can you show me, Lakshraj? Yes. Yes, the first one is right, Lakshraj. You did a first standing line. The next one is little cross, okay? Okay. Yes, others I saw. I saw that Sai Chiran. Sathvi, can you show me? Good, Sathvik. Okay, so I think most of you have written. Yes, Lekshita. Good. Good, Lekshita. Very good. Yes, Kumaragurupan, can you show me Kumaragurupan? Small F. Good. Good. You write by yourself, okay? Gautam, can you show me Gautam?
Ma'am, he is able to trace. He is not able
No
to
problem,
write
ma'am. I think in
individually.
university we have
Sometimes.
2 lines of tracing. Let him practice that. No problem. Practice,
That is
okay,
what
Gautam?
he was.
You just give one F, man. Let him trace the same thing. He'll get used to. You've just started. No problem.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so we are done with F. Okay, children, stop writing. I just wanted you to practice F before we go to the next letter. You can stop writing. Very good. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is we're going to quickly play a game. Okay, good, Kumara Guruparan.
Ma'am, Lakshraj.
Ma'am, Lakshraj.
Tell me. I saw your notebook already. You just corrected it? Okay. That's perfect.
Kaushik, ma'am.
Kaushik, yeah, show me. 1 minute. Yes, good, Kaushik.
Ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes. Little bit down, Arav Akshad. The one which is not, yeah, yes. Okay. Good. Good, Akshat. Arav, it's very, yeah, Arav, very good, Arav. It looks neat, perfect. You wrote the date too, very good. Okay, children. So what we are going to do is we're going to quickly play a game. You know what game? We are going to learn skip counting of 10 today. Stop writing, stop writing. Enough of F. More of F has gone. Enough. Keep your pencils down. Sit, relax. No writing now. After only. Okay? Keep your pencils down. Okay. So we are going to do skip counting of 10. You are going to count with me. Okay? I'm going to show you a picture. We are going to count skip counting of 10. Okay? Okay. Do you all see this train? This is a counting train. Okay? Skip counting 10 train. What is the first number? 10. 10. Say along with me. Okay? I'm just sharing this so I'm able to. Okay, let me see. Everybody is opening the mouth or not. Okay. 10. Have your hands like this. 10. 20. 30. 40. 50. Shiva, are you opening your mouth? Izan, are you opening your mouth? Sit properly, Izan. 60. 70. 80. 90. 100. 100. You are seeing this train? 10. Again count with me. 10. 20. 30. 40. Shiva, open your hands. Shiva, sit properly. Open your hands and show me like this. Shiva. 40. 50. Varnika, open your hands. 60. 70, 80, 90, 100. 100. Okay. So what we are going to do is we are going to write skip counting today. Okay. So how do you write? How do you remember skip counting easily? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you should just add 0 next to it. You will have the skip counting. Just to remember, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, you all know. So after writing 1, 2, 3, 4, what you should do? You should add 1, 0. See, ma'am is writing and showing. See what I'm doing. 1, I'm writing 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10. I wrote like this. Then what I'm doing? I'm giving a 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, I wrote this. See, I got 10, I got 20, I got 30, I got 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Okay, so if you can by heart 10, 20, 30, 40 like that, well and good. If not, how do you remember? Write 1 to 10 and then just add 0 to it. Okay, this is skip counting of 10. So our worksheet what we are going to do is related to that. So this is what the worksheet we are going to do. Please take the worksheet SRD24MT. The game I told you is right after completing this worksheet, we are going to count. Okay. When I say 1, when I say 10, you are all going to shout 10 and then you're going to clap. That game we are going to play. Okay. Before that, we'll quickly complete this worksheet. Please take this worksheet. Saichen, you are able to see this is the worksheet I am talking about. The flower and the number in between. Do you have the same worksheet, Saichen? Yes, you have the same worksheet.
Ma'am.
Sorry.
Yes, ma'am, we have the same.
Okay. Thank you, Lakshraj. Can you all please take the worksheet? Others, rough note, please take your rough note. We are going to write skip counting of 10. And write your name, the worksheet, put today's date.
Worksheet number, ma'am.
Saichen, I'm showing you. It's D24MTWS01. Day 24, maths worksheet. 16.7.2020. So we are going to check this train and then we are going to write the worksheet. Okay, that will be easy for us. I'm showing. Can't you see me? Can't you see the worksheet I'm showing? No?
Ma'am.
Izan, please stay on mute, Izan.
I'm down.
Yeah.
Kunja down.
Lakshita, this is the worksheet I'm talking about. Lakshita, please take this worksheet. Get help from somebody. It's D24, okay? You will have the flowers like this. Blue flower and red color flowers. Who is that? You found out, right? Very good. That's the worksheet I'm talking about. Write the name and today's date. Good, Lakshita. Sai Charan, you found out, Sai Charan.
Yes, ma'am, I found out.
Good, Sai Charan. Okay, thank you. So everybody, we're going to start now. The first number is 10. So those who are writing in the rough note, You write 10. Okay. Those who are in the worksheet, trace 10. 10. So ma'am is going to trace now. Let's see who is tracing nicely. I'm going to take the pencil color. I'm going to trace. I'm going to write on the same line. See? Same line. Let me see if I'm writing properly. 10. Open your mouth and say 10. 10. 20. 20. 20. I didn't trace properly. 30. 30. 30. 30. 40. Say and write. Open your mouth. See, ma'am is saying and writing. Open your mouth. Say and write. Only then you'll get by hearted with that. 40.
0 राहिलं
50. 50. 10. 10. 20. 20. 30. 30. 40. 40. 50. Let me see. All my children are writing. Are you people writing? Ritvik, Shyam, do you want to ask something, Ritvik? Okay. No. Okay. So those who are writing, Izan, are you writing, Izan? Where is your pencil? Where is your notebook? I'm not able to see you. Where is your pencil, Izan? Write fast. Your friends are finishing. You also should finish. See, they are going to finish. I finished. You didn't finish? Izan, I finished. If you have finished, good. Please don't. Okay. Very good. Very good, Shiva. Very good, Kaushik. Very good, Arav. Very good, Sai Charan. Very good, Nivin Surya. Very good. Yes, Lakshita. Very good. Very good, Varnika. Arjun, you came, Arjun. Good evening, Arjun. Now only I'm seeing you. How are you, Arjun? Arjun, how are you? How are you? I am fine. How are you? You didn't show the hand. You didn't show the hand. I'm very super. You didn't show. You're very super. Okay. Okay.
Finish, ma'am.
Oh, is that finished? Good, Kumara Guruparan. Very good, Kumara Guruparan. Yes, Roshan. Good, Roshan. You're writing. Okay.
Finish,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Good, Kumara Guruparan. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am. Finish, ma'am.
Good, Ritvik. Good, Shravan. Good, Dayanand. Okay. So now I'm going to call. Okay, I'm going to call Nivin Surya to help me this. Okay, for the first one. Okay, Nivin Surya. What's the first number, Nivin Surya?
10.
Yeah, 10, 10. 10, 10. So now, Nivin Surya, look at this friend and tell me what is after 10? What is this?
20.
Very good. So we should write 2020 here. 2020. Many of you have written, I know. Those who have not written, let them write. Okay. 2020. Next, I'm going to call Izan. Izan, what is after 2020? Look at this friend and tell me.
30.
Yeah, 30. 30. Are you writing in your notebook, Izan?
Yes.
Very good, Izan. Okay, now I'm going to call Akshat. Akshat, you're going to help me. What is after 30?
40.
Very good. What is 40? 04?
No.
Ah. What is 40?
0.
Very good. Yeah, 4040. Yes, 4040. Adya, what is next to 4040?
5050.
Perfect, Adya. 5050. Lakshita, what is next to 5050? What is after 5050?
6060.
Yeah, 6060. So I am going to write now 6060. Okay. Mahasin, what is after 6060? After 6? Mahaswin? What happened? What is after 6060?
6060 తర్వాత ఏమొస్తుంది
7070. Ayanand, what is after 7070?
70.
Good, Mahaswin. Dayanand, after 7070?
8080.
Perfect. Yes, 8080. Sachin, what is after 8080? After 8?
90.
Very good. 9090. Super. Yuvan Sai, what is after 9090? 9 after? After
100.
Perfect. 100. This reduction was very easy, right? You all finished? Okay. Okay. So now I'm going to show you a picture. Yeah, this one. You all finished the worksheet, right? Everybody out there? Then keep your pencils down. Sit relaxed. Sit properly, but sit properly. Sit straight. Izan. Sit straight, Izan. No lying on the sofa somewhere. Sit straight. Close your legs properly. Sit straight, everyone. Okay. So we are going to learn what is good habit and what is good manners now. Okay. So let me show here. See, I'm going to ask you. You're going to tell me. Okay. The first one. This both girls are fighting for the toy, and they are not sharing the toys and playing. Okay. Arjun, tell me, is it right or wrong? Wrong. What we should do, Arjun? Yeah, we should share and play. Very good. Kumara Guruparan, what is the next picture? What are these two children doing? They are playing. Kumara Guruparan, can you tell me what are they doing?
Buying a toy.
They are playing toys. Are they sharing and playing? Yes. Say yes.
Yes.
Are they fighting? Are they fighting?
Oh.
No. Is it a good habit?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So these two children are fighting for the toy, dragging, give it to me, give it to me. They are fighting. This is very wrong. These two children are sharing the toys and playing happily. That is a good behavior, good habit. Okay. See here next. See that this is a classroom or some, okay. The teacher is coming. What are children doing? They're all talking. They're throwing everything on the down. See this boy is doing. What is this boy doing? When the teacher is in the class, what is this boy doing? I'm going to ask Lisha. Lisha, tell me, what is this boy doing?
What is this boy doing?
He is lying on the floor and can we lie on the floor like this when the teacher is there? No. See this boy. No, see this boy. He's having the his legs on the chair. Can we keep the legs on the chair, Lisha? Can we keep the legs on the chair? No. No, right? Yeah. Kavin, tell me, what is this boy doing? This blue color boy, where is he standing? He's standing on a
Chair.
chair. What color is the chair?
Blue. Red.
chair like this when the teacher is there?
No.
Or even at home, can we stand on the chair? No, we will fall down. We should not stand on the chair. So is he doing right or wrong?
Wrong.
Wrong, yes. Okay, Kaushik, tell me, what are these people doing? See, this girl is a teacher. This auntie is a teacher, green color dress. And she's having a story book. She's reading a story. What are these people doing? Are they playing? Kaushik, are they playing? No, they are listening to the teacher. So, good children. Yeah, good habit, yes. So the good behavior, good habit is listen to the teacher, sit properly on the floor or on the chair. When you're sitting on the chair, your legs should be on the floor, not on the chair. And you should not cross your legs like this. See this girl, she's crossing her legs like this and sitting. That's all we should not do. We should sit properly with our legs open on the floor when the teacher is there. Okay, and even at home or when the teacher is there, you should not stand on the chair. You will fall down. That is not good habit. And when the teacher is there, you should not lie down like this boy. This boy is doing very bad. That's not the way you should behave in front of the teacher. Here, the teacher is reading a story and all the children are sitting quietly, not making noise, not talking, listening to the teacher. So that is good behavior. Okay. So we learned two behaviors today. One, we should share the toys and play with our friends or our sisters or brothers, siblings. Second, when the teacher is there, we should behave properly and sit properly. Okay. Okay. Now Grutvik is going to help me. Okay, Grutvik, you're going to tell me which is right or wrong. So Sai Charan, everybody out there, Lekshita, take this worksheet D24. D24 PD worksheet. Check if you have the same worksheet with you. This boy will fight the same worksheet. I'll come and check if you're having the same thing. You're having? Sai Charan, you have that worksheet. Do you take the worksheet? Yes, Gautam, that's right. I'm showing it again. See, this is the worksheet I'm talking about. Let me know if anybody is not having this worksheet. I'm coming to check you. Kritik, can you please stay on mute and let me know if you don't have. Lekshita, did you take the worksheet?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you please tell me that workbook day number?
It's the day 24, sir. Day 24 PD. You'll have PD in the worksheet. I'm just highlighting it.
I don't have.
Fine, checking.
SRPD, day 24, WS01.
No, Nisha is not having this.
Even we don't have, ma'am.
Okay, Dutta is not having, and Satvik you're not having. Okay. Who else?
No, ma'am.
Lisha is not having. Okay.
Ma'am.
Are you having? You're having.
I don't have
You're having?
ma'am. I don't have that worksheet. Ma'am,
You're having.
I don't have that worksheet.
Rayan, you're not having. Okay, no problem, Rayan. Good evening, Rayan. Just now I'm checking you're in. Okay. Lakshita ji, you're having. Okay. Those who don't have worksheet, we'll send a soft copy. They can it's just a tick mark, right? So no problem. We'll send a soft copy or we can have it as a reference. Okay. Did you find out, Sai Charan?
No. Not
Okay.
good, ma'am.
Okay. Those who don't have worksheet, just stay on mute and just we listen to this. Okay. Those who have worksheet alone will do.
Ma'am.
Even Sai, tell me.
Ma'am.
Tell me.
I'm not having.
That's what I'm telling. Those who don't have worksheet, we'll send you I'll send you this worksheet. Okay. So you don't have to unmute and tell me. If those who are having, we'll do. No problem. Okay. Okay. Izan, just now I told you, how should we behave when the teacher is there? Sit properly, right? Sit properly. Okay. So now Grithik, you don't have to look there. Look here and tell me, Grithik. So the first boy, look at the screen.
Yeah.
The boy, what is the boy doing, Grithik?
Fighting.
Yeah, he's trying to kick the boy for the ball. Is it a right habit? Is it right behavior?
Is it good or bad?
Bad.
Bad. So I'm going to put a cross. Okay.
Wrong.
If it's a
Bad behavior.
we should not do like that. Should we fight with our friends?
Yes.
Fight.
No.
Fight
We should not fight. Okay.
No. Fight.
Okay. Then I'm going to call
Not just unmute cheyi.
Satvik. Satvik Shivani. Okay. Satvik, tell me, look at this picture here. You don't have the worksheet there. You just look at this picture and tell me. The teacher is teaching the class. The children are sitting. Is it a good behavior or a bad behavior?
Good teacher.
Good behavior. The children are very good. They're sitting.
Shall I go to restroom?
Yes, go ahead. Go and come back. No problem. So they are listening to the teacher. They are not talking. They are not jumping. Sitting properly in the chair, listening to the teacher. So it is a good behavior. Good behavior. Shravan, can you tell me what are these two children doing? This boy and this girl. What are they doing? Shravan. Shravan is there?
Ma'am.
Yeah, tell me, Shravan. What are these two people doing? These two children doing?
Drawing the book. Telling the book.
Yeah, is it a good behavior?
Bad behavior.
No, bad behavior. So I'm going to give a cross here. Okay. Shiva, tell me what are the next picture? This
He is gone.
Oh, he's only gone. Okay. Then Satvik, tell me. Satvik got a chance, right? Rayan, tell me, Rayan. What are these three people doing? They're having their lunch or dinner. Is it good?
Yeah.
Rayan? Yes. Others, is it good habit, good behavior? They are sitting in the chair. They're having the lunch properly without wasting the food. Is it right or wrong, Rayan? Good behavior or wrong behavior? Rayan? Rayan? Is it a good behavior or wrong behavior?
Good behavior.
Good behavior, yes, good behavior. Okay. So this we did. Okay, we are left with we didn't write. So next we are going to do G. Before that, I want have you everybody, those who have worksheet, have you finished this worksheet? This one, the tick mark, wrong behavior and bad behavior. Okay, quickly what we'll do is we'll write G. Okay, we'll practice G and then we'll go on the next activity. G is very simple. Okay, you remember G? What are the sounds of starting with G? G. G. What is sound of G? G. Are you saying with me?
Good.
G. Okay. Shiva, you came back. Shiva, I'll ask you something. Can you give me some words starting with G, Shiva?
Say.
G.
Good.
Good. Very good. Very good. Okay.
And
Arjun, can you give me some words starting with G? Arjun. G. G. I can't hear you. Little bit louder. Okay. Okay, then Jay Krish, can you give me some word with G?
Gate. Goat.
Goat, something else. G, goat, G.
Gate.
Gates.
Gate, very good. Then anything?
Grapes.
Grapes, very good. Okay. Then I'm going. Okay, giraffe, yes. Then Lakshraj, can you give me some words with G? G.
Glass and glass.
Oh, very good. Yes. Then, Arav, give me some words with G.
D.
G.
Dog.
Gagga.
Good.
Very good. Gagga, gorilla. Very good. Okay. Varnika, give me some words with G, Varnika.
Titan.
Sorry?
Titan.
Okay. Okay. Then who didn't say anything? Everybody got a chance to say, okay. Somebody I missed, I'm just thinking. Yeah, okay. Next test, can you give me some words with G? Seven, you got a chance, no?
Galaxy.
What, Seven? Seven, I'm not able to see you. Can you just sit down and talk to me? Tell me.
G for galaxy.
Galaxy, wow, that's written on your dress. Very nice, yes. Yes. Yes, Kumara Gurubaran, tell me.
Gun.
Gun, very good, yes. Gagga, gorilla. What all you say, I'll just consolidate and say. Gagga, gun. Gagga, galaxy. Gagga, gorilla. Gagga, grapes. Gagga, gate. Yes, who is that, ma'am? Yes, Lakshita, tell me. Gagga.
Gorilla.
Gorilla. Okay. Then Gagga, green. Gagga, grass. Saitaran, what Saitaran? Tell me. Gravity. Okay, gravity. Such big words you are giving me. Gravity, grass, galaxy, glass. Gautam, tell me something with G. Gagga.
What? Gagga game.
Gagga, game. Very good. Gagga, game. Gagga, goat. Yes, Lakshita.
Gagga guitar.
Varnika, you got chance. Varnika, tell me.
Gagga guitar.
Tell me. Varnika, I didn't hear that. No, I can't hear that. Repeat. Okay. Okay. Good. Please don't unmute children unless I call your name. Okay. So we're going to write G now. All ready? Set. Set. Go. We're going to write G. Okay. I'm going to share the screen. We are going to write G. Take this worksheet. SR day 23. G is yesterday's worksheet. So day 23 worksheet with G. G. I want to show you this picture here. Gagga grapes. What all do we have here? Gagga grapes, Gagga guitar, Gagga girl, Gagga giraffe, Gagga gate, green, grass. Okay, almost you said the same thing. Okay. Except for giraffe and girl guitar. Okay. So shall we write G? So ma'am is going to write first. Okay. First you listen and then you are going to write G. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to start from the second blue line. Slanting line, go up till the red line. Curve. And then a C. And then C. You know C, right? C. And then go up. Come down. Like this. I write it here so that it will be easy for you to understand. See, I'm going to write here, black pen. From the second blue line, go till the red line, then put a small C, okay, go up, come down like this. You will write Y, no, like that, similar to Y with a C. Okay, I repeat, I'll write it here so that it will be big for you. Now you start writing. Slanting line, go up, touch the red line. First step. Slanting line, go up, touch the red line. put a small C, C, go up like U or C, C and then U or whole U. Stop here, don't go till the red line, stop here in the blue line. Let me check if you are all have done the same way here till here. You write, you keep writing, don't show me, okay? You keep writing, I'll see the homework worksheet, don't have to show me, okay? If I kept on seeing all your worksheets, so tell me, Sai Charan.
Do it again.
I'll do it again, okay? I'll do it again. I'm just checking if you are all done till here. I'm going to write again. So you're going to write with me now, okay? I'll first write. If you don't know, first listen, then you can write. I'm going to write from the beginning. See, starting line, slanting line, go up, touch the red line. This is the first step, okay? Second, bend and then put a small C like U, like this. Touch, stop here. Then go up. See, I'm coming down, 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 down. Touch this blue line. I'm touching here. And then I'm writing 1. And then I am bending. This is capital running G. G. Okay. I repeat, Sai Charan, you're with me, I think. Slanting line, go up, touch the red line. Then bend, come down, 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 touch the blue line. Go up, touch the blue line. Then 1 like this. Okay. We'll write together, okay? Start writing. Rayan, keep writing, Rayan. Izan, are you writing, Izan? Izan is there? I think he left. Izan is there? No. Okay. Kavin, Kaushik, Roshan, Shravan. Keep writing. I'll come and check each one of you. I'll call your name. Until then, please don't unmute. If you have any questions or anything you don't understand, please unmute and ask me. Okay? Don't hesitate. Otherwise, please stay on mute. If you have any questions or doubt, please unmute and ask me.
Write it one more.
I'll write one more time. Okay, Sai Charan. Now you're going to write with me? Okay, see, slanting line, go up, touch the red line. Did you write this, Sai Charan? Only if you look at the screen, you'll be able to know what I'm writing. See? Okay, slanting line, touch the red line. Then see, I'm coming down, touch the blue line. Like this, go up, like U, okay? And then come down, bend. Okay, Sai Charan? Kumaran, understood? Ritik, okay? You need any help, Ritik? No, you're fine?
Okay.
Okay. Kaushik. Yeah, Kaushik. Very good, Kaushik. Keep writing. Very good. Good. Say it as good, right? I told you, no, you should not show like this. Yes, Sai Charan. Right, Sai Charan. Roshan, you are okay today with G? G is easy? Yes, if not practice in the slate, then you can write in the worksheet. Not okay? Okay. So shall we write G again today? You're going to write with me. You're going to write with me. Take your slate and write with me. Okay? Gautam, keep tracing. G. Varnika, you're okay with G? No, you don't have to show me. Just show me thumbs up if you are able to write.
Ma'am.
Good children. Arav Akshat. How about you? I'm coming there. Arav. Jayakrish, you're not giving me, sharing me water. You are drinking it alone. I'm showing it to me.
Shall we drink water? Ask permission.
No problem, Jayakrish. Keep drinking. No problem. Yeah, Arav Akshat. G is okay?
They're doing that.
Okay. Okay.
You
Let
should,
me know if you need any help.
Finish. Show to ma.
Ma'am, this is correct.
Go front and show.
Yes, yes, it's correct. Correct. Okay, where is Abhya? I didn't check Abhya for a long time. Yeah, Adya. Good, Adya. Looks neat. What about Ivan sir? You got a worksheet today. Happy you're writing in the worksheet. Can you show me what you have written so far? Nice. Okay, you traced it and you started writing. Good. Good, Ivan sir. Okay, Shiva. Are you writing, Shiva? Okay, Shiva. Satvik. What about you, Satvik? Poking the nose? You're writing G?
Yeah.
Lakshita is writing. Lakshita Ji. Dayanand. Coming to check Dayanand. I don't know, somebody's. Who is that? Video is mute. Mahaswin, can you unmute your video? Gautam, keep writing, Gautam. I'll come and check back to you. Yes, Dayanand. Can you show me, Dayanand, till what you have written? Good, Dayanand. You trace. Now you're going to write. Okay. Keep writing. Okay. Shravan. Galaxy Shravan. You're writing G. Yes. Okay. Okay, Shravan. Lakshraj, you're writing Lakshraj. G, Gagga. Okay. Arjun. Super. G, super Arjun. Good, Arjun. Very good. Okay. Anybody has not started writing G? Raise your hand. Anybody has not started writing G yet? I have not traced, ma'am. I didn't start writing. Raise your hand. Everybody has started writing G. At least wrote 3 to 4 times, right? Okay. Okay. So we had plans of drawing chick today. I think we ran out of time, so we'll not be able to draw chick today. Okay. Tomorrow we have an activity of school bus. Okay. I'll send you the picture. So what all you need to get ready. I'll send you the template. So tomorrow we have an activity of yes, Aravakshat. Good. Yes. Activity of school bus. Okay. So next week we don't have worksheets. It's a culmination week. So what all are pending this week so far? So we have few number names worksheet pending, and we have few ERP worksheets pending. Okay, and all this creative time activities like chick, this cat, all those will complete next week. Okay, so don't worry. Yuvan Sai, don't worry. We'll do cat next week. Okay, Yuvan Sai. Okay, this week we'll complete the cursive, right? So we'll have a lot of time next week. Okay. So today I'll send you max worksheet again where we have to trace number names. Okay. So by this culmination, we have to get thorough with the number names. So I'll send you that homework worksheet and the template for creative time. Any questions? Any doubt? Anything? Any doubt? Any questions? Who is having doubt?
Ma'am, small running G, ma'am.
Roshni, are saying something?
Tell me small.
Small g. You want to know small g also?
Yes.
Okay, small g, I'll tell you quickly and then we'll finish the call, okay? Just, I'll show you, share the screen. So that you can complete that, okay? So you're able to see my screen. Small g is very simple. See, I'll just scroll down and start writing. So start from the slanting line. Start from the second blue line. Okay. Go right like C. Okay, C. Close the C. And then come down, bend like this. Okay, I'll write it slowly here. You have like this. Start from the second blue line. Okay, go up. We wrote C, remember? C. Close the C. Come down like this. This is small g. Slanting line. C. Slanting line. C. Close the C. Slanting line. C. Close the C. Come down and then bend like this. Small g is simple. If you know C and A, outright C and A, it's very simple. Slanting line, C, close the C, 1 and come down. Thank you for asking that, Roshan. So those who are writing worksheet, practice this and complete it. Okay? That's all we have for today, children. Thank you so much. Any other questions, any doubts, anything not clear, ask me. Or else others you can leave. Good, Akshat. I can see small g numbers, so skip counting. Good, very good. Yes, Kaushik, show me Kaushik. Super, Kaushik.
Thank you, Kaushik.
Thank you, ma'am.
Others, you can practice small g. Okay? Thank you, children. Take care. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye,
Bye.
Vandita.
Bye. 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 Bye.
Bye. Bye.